Before you try the Temu FREE Gift, there are 5 things I wish someone had told me. Knowing these would have saved me a lot of time. 1. Not every coupon code is worth using. When I first started, I assumed every Temu coupon code worked the same way, so I grabbed random codes from older videos. Big mistake. Most of them gave me pretty average offers. Later, after comparing different codes, the one on the screen consistently gave me the strongest overall experience. 2. Don't browse. First, this was another mistake I kept making. I'd spend 10 minutes looking through products, and only then think about using a coupon code. Once I flipped the order and activated the code on the screen first, I consistently saw better coupon bundles and reward opportunities before I even started shopping. 3. Ignore the magic trick videos. You'll find videos promising instant rewards or unbelievable results. In my experience, the best approach wasn't a secret hack. It was simply starting with a code that repeatedly performed better than the random ones I tested. 4. Keep your expectations realistic. Temu promotions change regularly. That means 2 people can open the app on the same day and still see different offers. Don't expect identical rewards every time. Instead, focus on giving yourself the best possible starting point. 5. Compare your own results. This is the lesson that changed everything for me. Don't just trust one video, including this one. Test it yourself. I compared random codes against the code on the screen using the same account and similar shopping sessions. Time after time, the code on the screen gave me larger coupon bundles, stronger discount offers, and a more active free gift experience. That's why it's the only one I still use. So, what's the biggest takeaway? The Temu FREE Gift isn't about finding a mysterious shortcut. It's about avoiding common mistakes that keep people from getting the best overall experience. For me, the biggest improvement came from one simple habit. Start every session with the code on the screen instead of relying on random codes from old videos. Before you try the Temu FREE Gift, remember these 5 tips. Then activate the code on the screen and see how your experience compares to using random codes. I'd love to hear what changed for you.